Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer umbrella liability proof using Nationwide Account Center. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Nationwide website. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on login to access your Nationwide account. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. After entering your credentials, click on the sign in button. Once you are logged in, look for the Policy tab in the main menu. Hover over or click on the Policy tab to reveal drop-down options. From the drop-down, select Umbrella Liability. This will direct you to your umbrella liability policy details. Now, find the option labeled Proof of Coverage or Proof of Insurance. Click on this option to view your proof of coverage document. Once the document is displayed, look for a button or link that says Download or Save. Click on that. If prompted, choose a location on your device to save the file. Once the file is saved, you can attach it to any required emails or forms. To transfer the proof, open your email application or document browser. Create a new email or document where you intend to send the proof. Attach the saved umbrella liability proof file to your email or document. Verify that all necessary information is included and correct. Finally, send the email or share the document as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.